there's very few things that ever have been proven in conventional medicine. You know, of all the drugs that we're using, it's said that only 40% really have some scientific validity. You know, many of the drugs that we have are based on fraudulent trials, and you know, like there was that thing I was approached, and I was in the early 80s to participate in a trial on using amoxicillin for ear infections. It was a multi-center study in the US done to show that amoxicillin really is the ideal drug to treat ear infections in children. And the reps from the big pharma approached me right away with a thing like, listen, we already have the result. We just need some physicians sort of to run some studies, and then we fudge with the data to bring it under the result. That's how they approached us. They said, it's completely irrelevant. Don't be afraid. They said, don't be afraid. You just kind of have to give us names of patients and give them some amoxicillin when they hurt in the ear. Just keep a record of, if we know everybody with an ear infection eventually gets well, so we just need a record when they were sick, and then a record later when they're well, and that's going to enter the trial. We already have the results and everything. We just, to publish it, we need like bigger numbers. And you know, then it took, you know, then amoxicillin became a big thing, and every pediatrician in the world for every ear infections used amoxicillin for 30 years, and then it came out, you know, 30 years later, that the trial was fraudulent, and that children do just as well when you don't give them anything, and we give them amoxicillin. And so much of the working knowledge in conventional medicine is based on those types of trials. It's not so blatant anymore. It's more refined now, and more, you know, sophisticated. And so we can't really trust anything, you know, on the surface that much. I think because of the internet and the transparency of the politics or so, things have become better. There's a lot of good people in research, even in the FDA.